Today, we're going to try the new color profiles na meron si Insta360 Ace Pro 2 dito sa new update natin ng firmware. For reference, this is the standard color mode and I'm using the normal video mode. So ito yung quality niya sa standard color profile and mag-switch tayo sa another color profile. Okay, so from standard, nandito naman tayo sa Leica or Leica Eternal. How's the quality of this color profile? And then mag-switch naman tayo sa next one. So in this color profile, still Leica color profile pa rin to, which is the black and white high contrast. So how's the quality? So yan, pwede natin gamitin for creative shots kung meron man kayong paggagamitan. And go naman tayo sa susunod. So for this color profile, this is their new retro neon na color profile. So yan, medyo warm yung colors niya. Medyo ma-yellow or ma-green. So yan. I don't know kung paano yung siya gagamitin. Siguro for creative shots. So dito naman tayo sa last one, sa Vintage Vacation. Yeah, parang low contrast, pang mga moody yung style ng color profile niya, yung temperature. So that's it for the new color profiles ng Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung okay ba yung bagong update.